Kyle, can you shut the hell up over there? I'm FaceTiming Logan and I can't even hear him over you gaming.
Okay, I'll be more quiet, but on one condition. If you stop making all those freaky sounds with him over FaceTime. I can hear them, you know? It's just weird.
Kyle,
I mean, I'm willing to, like, turn a blind eye and not tell Mom, but you have to promise that you won't bring Logan over when I'm here. That little chode pisses me the hell off.
that's not fair. You're always home.
Well, too bad. Guess Mom's finding out about your mysterious sounds at 3 in the morning.
Wait, okay, fine. But why don't you like him?
He just gives off a bad vibe. I can just feel that he's hiding something. And he's constantly on my tip, bro. Always hating thinking he's better than me.
Can you stop dissing my boyfriend? I will come over there and beat you right now if you keep pissing me off.
Riz app says, the only beating that's going on is you beating your bean. The only beating that's going on is you beating your bean.
Kyle,
I'll be quiet. Just stop whimpering, please. Good night. Haley, I have to tell you something really important.
no you don't. You never do.
No, I'm being serious right now. I saw Logan with another girl at this party last night.
Well then it's not Logan. Logan's a senior and you're a freshman. What would a senior be doing at a freshman party?
Yeah, I know. That's the weird part. The girl he was talking to was a freshman, but it was 100% Logan. I'm sure of it. Like my personal beef with him aside. I don't think you should trust him anymore, Haley.
And why would I choose to listen to you? I still trust Logan and he still loves me.
Whatever. Just know when he cheats on you or worse. Don't come back apologizing for not believing me.
Not happening because he would never cheat on me.
Haley, you have to break up with Logan. Right now.
I already told you. I'm not listening to you. I don't care who you saw doing what.
Haley, just listen for once. Remember the party that I saw Logan and the freshman at?
You mean fake Logan? Yeah.
I wanted to believe that too. But after today, I'm 100% sure it's Logan.
And why is that?
I just saw the both of them at a cafe on like a date. Then when I made eye contact with Logan, he immediately got up and pretended he didn't know the freshman that he was talking to. If it wasn't the real Logan, why would he be scared of some random guy looking at him quickly?
Maybe the guy just didn't want to be seen talking to a freshman. I know Logan. He wouldn't do that.
Oh yeah? Text him right now and ask him where he is.
Alright, I will.
Did you just text him 5 seconds ago?
Yeah, how'd you know?
I just saw him pull out his phone in the cafe. It's him, Haley. I'm sorry, but I did warn you earlier.
It's probably just a coincidence. He just texted me that he was still at his house.
Do you have his location?
No.
God, you're so naive, Haley.
Kyle, what the hell did you do?
I'm protecting you. That's what I'm doing.
Logan just texted me that he's in the hospital, and that a bunch of freshman boys jumped him.
So he couldn't hold off a few freshmen? What a baby now.
He said it was your friends. Kyle, this is too far.
No, it isn't. I'm just trying to keep you safe from that absolute dirtbag.
Don't talk to me again, Kyle. Why are you always trying to ruin my life?
You'll see soon enough.
Kyle, did the freshman that Logan was with have green eyes and wavy black hair?
Yeah, her name's Rebecca. She also always wears this hoodie, I think. I can't remember how it looks like.
Was it red?
Yeah, that was it. It was a blank red hoodie.
I'm sorry, Kyle.